Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am really excited to show an unboxing of a small business order I did from a wonderful company called Fantasy Sparkills. And I've purchased one of their trays before, and that one, unfortunately, I miscalculated the size. I think I might have it around somewhere. I was using it the other day and I put it away because, as I said, the tray's really large, but it is really useful when you want to do large color lines. So that's why I use that one only when I'm going to do large colors. But I saw on their Etsy that they had a couple of small trays of a different line they were doing. It's super cute because they have images of kitty cats, and I had to pick them up. So it got delivered in this wonderful, really pink bag. When I saw it, when I took it on my mailbox, I was like, whoa, that is really pink, and I really like that. I'm not going to turn it around because the other side has the packing list, so it has my personal information. Originally, I always take out the shipping order, but this is how it was delivered. Oh my goodness, you know it is secured with that much bubble wrap. And I did not want to take it apart. I really wanted to show it to you all. I think I can pull off the tape. Ooh, apologies for that. And I didn't want to start dismantling it without showing you all how it originally looks like. And it is really secured. When I took it out of the mailbox, I originally thought that the bag was with bubble wrap on the inside, because some mailers have it that way. It's not. It's just a really thin plastic. It's the box that's covered in bubble wrap. Oh my goodness, the box is real fancy. I really like it. Let me put that aside real quick. As you can see, Fantasy Sparkills. And it took me a while to figure out, which is kind of funny. I thought it was Sparkills, but I was like, no, wait a minute. And I thought about it, I was like, oh, Sparkles. Apologies for that. It's just, I read too literally. As you can see, the box is a dark color, really sturdy, wonderful little sticker holding it down. Let me cut that real quick with my box cutter, because I do not want to tear the box, because first of all, it's really nice. And second of all, I have everything in it. I'm going to lift it open real quick on the side. I just want to see if there's a packing label. I don't believe there is. I believe it's on the outside. Yeah. So as you can see inside, when it's open, nice bubble wrap with all the trays. And oh my goodness, I love all the bubble wrap. I love all the confetti paper. As you can see, this is their wonderful little business card. Thank you. You're awesome. Thank you for that. For our shops and socials, use the QR code on the left. As you can see, it has the beautiful little dragons and their website as well. As I've purchased through their Etsy store. That's how I first located them. I found them on Etsy and I really wanted to try it out. They're usually, I've seen some of their trays, they have dragons on them, but I saw that these have kitty cats on them. I really wanted to pick them up. As you can see, this is the business card. Oh, I like the little wolf image. And oh, they put little stickers. Oh, of course, our wonderful little void cat with its magical little dust on it. I love the little butterflies. Oh my goodness, I love this little sticker. You're going to go on my desk, as you can probably all see, I have a lot of stickers. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, I love these stickers. They're really nice. And a lot of confetti paper. Put this aside. I'm going to make sure to put it back in the box because I don't want to lose it everywhere. And these are the trays. So there were 4 colors that they were having in this special little set. They had one in white, one in pink, and then red and blue. And each of the different colors have a different image on it. I fell in love with these 2 images. I think I might go back and maybe pick the other 2, but I really wanted to see how these look. Just out of curiosity. I love it now, nicely wrapped. I really like that in a little drawstring bag. And oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And their last tray I ordered also has this beautiful sparkle on it. As you can see, it's a little kitty cat with little wings and a little star on top. I just really like this tray a lot. At the bottom, it has a different color, nice little white sparkle as well. I am noticing it's a little bit scratched on top, but that's all right. I can still see the image beautifully. I thought it might have a sticker cover on it, but no, that is fine. I can still see the image clearly. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And the tray, oh, I love the lines. They're really nice and really straight. It's a little reservoir. So when you're diamond painting, you shake it a bit, they settle on this end. And there's a little stopper. Oh, that's so cute. It just popped off. And as you can see, it has a little spout. I really love this little dark red color. So you can just pour them out once you're using them. The stopper is really thin. I kind of like that. You just slide it back in and voila, you can keep working. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like this. The image, to me, it looked a lot smaller, but this is kind of a medium size. And I love that. Oh, I really love the size of this. I really thought it was a lot smaller. The image kind of looks real small. I really love the size though. So let me put the red one aside and let me check out the blue. The blue is my favorite color. So when I saw the blue had a kitty cat on the moon, oh my goodness, I had to pick it up. And oh, it has a little bubble sparkle. As you can see, when I move it, I think it's catching on camera. Oh, I love the little bubble effect, the holographic effect on it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the cat on the moon. I love moons and cats, so it's a combo and it's perfect. I love the blue color as well. It has the same as well. It has the little bubble effect on the white section, which I'm a big fan of. They're just little pieces of some of their material hanging around. I'll just trim it just to clean it a bit. Oh, I really like that. And the inside, yeah, it's blue lines as well. Oh my goodness, I love that it's matching. I also saw it on the red tray. You can see the halls, apologies. The walls are really high. I am a bit of aggressive shaker. So I have to be, because sometimes I've had diamonds spill out because I just shake, however, and unfortunately the diamonds get everywhere. I really love how they look high. I'm going to pour some diamonds right now just so we can see how it lines up. And has a little spout as well. Ooh, this one's really stuck in there. Woo, there we go. And you can see it. I love that it's a long spout too, because it makes it easier, especially since I use a lot of tube storage. I can just pour it really quickly in. Really like that. So let me test out the blue one. Oh my goodness. And their trays. Oh, the inside has the name of the company and their little emblem. The other trays I have that as well. The red one has it too. Real sturdy. Really love the material of their trays. So I have some round diamonds kitted up here on the side. I was working on a painting. I'll do this one. This wonderful colors, 3865. Actually, because I saw that the tray is a white color. I'm trying to find a darker tone. Oh my goodness, I didn't even notice that. Okay, I'll try red or pink. I didn't notice that I finished on that painting. I have a lot of diamonds already placed on the painting. It's the diamonds from my Cotton Candy Princess canvas. So let me pour it aside. I'm going to pour them all. I'm going to see how it'll handle if there's a large amount. Usually I do end up pouring my whole tube whenever I'm painting. Let me shake it. Ooh, how I said I shake really aggressively. Tap it and oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is perfect. I love how they're perfectly lined up. And I am a multi-placer, so let me see how I'll pick up with the pen. Whoops, that was on me. I kind of slid it. Oh, I picked double the diamonds. I don't want to do that. I pressed it to not that straight and voila. Oh my goodness, that is perfect. I love that. I don't have the canvas in front of me, so I'm just taking them off. And I have putty on here, so it's a little tricky sometimes to take them off the multi-placer, but that's fine. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And it's their rounds, of course. And I love how they're all going perfectly in the reservoir. So once you've already completed using all the ones in the line, you can just tap them back and get them all back in the line. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. I really like that. So this is with rounds. I do have another painting kitted up of squares. So give me one moment. Let me get that real quick. Sorry for that. Again, I need to find a dark color. This is our lovely 310. I'm going to test it on the red tray because I want to see. With the rounds, as you can see, it just looks, oh my goodness, just perfectly straight. And I really love that. I actually want to start painting when I'm done recording because I really love how these trays are. And yeah, they weren't a set. They were just separate trays. And as I said, I just really love the image of the kitty cats on it. So that's why I really wanted to pick up each color. And I just love the red and the blue. Sorry about that if you heard that. I just really wanted to see what they look like, you know, as the image and the coloring. So far, I am really, really happy with how they look. So these are squares. So let me see how they line up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The squares fit perfectly. As you can see, I'm getting a little closer for y'all. I thought since they fit perfectly with the rounds, I thought the squares might be a little tight. Oh my goodness, they're perfect lines. Oh, that is so neat. So let me test it with a smaller multi-placer. So this one is a 4. Just want to see when I pick it up. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Look at that. It's perfectly straight, and I am really bad at picking up squares straightly. So, oh my goodness, I love these trays. And I want to see how they work when I pour them out. I know I could pour them out without the cover, but I am so clumsy that whenever I pour out, I always try to keep the lid on it. Oh, they fit perfectly in the tube storage. And a majority of my storage is tube whenever I'm kitting up canvases. So that's why. Oh, there's one little. Oh, no, there's 2 of them left. Let me try these 2 without the lid. Ooh, that one really doesn't want to get out. The little kind of reservoir, there you go. I was trying to remember what the word I was using. Is kind of deep. So as you can see, there's kind of a deep kind of little, I was going to say dent, but I don't think that's the word. Kind of little just curve at the bottom, making sure that the diamonds are really, really set in there. And I lost my thing. Oh, here we go. I was like, what happened to the little stopper? And there we go. Oh my goodness, I love that. I'm gonna be a little more brave. I'm gonna try it without the cover, and let's see how they pour out. I already have one that escaped. So I said I do shake them aggressively, as you all saw. So let me pour them carefully, or not. Oh, that's my fault. I kind of shook them too hard, and I felt it when it bounced out. There you go. It still pours out nicely, though. It's just that's the thing I'm noticing, that the reservoir is really deep. So I think I will always be pouring with the cover on. As you all saw, I just shook it real aggressively, and I don't want to keep losing diamonds. And it's so much easier with the lid. And I just always shake them because you can hear them when they're still in there. And it's the static, because a lot of these diamonds of mine, unfortunately, have static. So that's why they're still staying in the tray. Well, it's not too bad, though. Oh, and there we go. They all went. Oh, one ran away. And I lost it. I'll pick it up right now. And yeah, oh my goodness, I just love these trays. I'm going to see if they still have the other 2 colors in stock. As I said, the other one was a white, and it's so cute. It's a kitty cat with a witch's hat. And it's a pink kind of lining. And the other one is a pink tray, but I kind of forgot what the other image is. It's another cat. They're all kitty cats. And I just love the images. And these trays are all real smooth, really nice, really sturdy. I love how they stack. Oh my goodness, I just love these trays. And again, these are all, I purchased these on my own. I just really wanted to show them to y'all because I just fell in love when I was using that larger tray. And I was super excited that they were releasing these. And they are smaller or medium size. I think they're more medium. And oh my goodness, and they're real sturdy too. Sorry if you keep hearing me tap. I'm gonna drop it real quick. Yep, really sturdy. I always do that on my trays. I'm sorry, tray. And oh my goodness, I just love these. And again, the name of this company is called Fantasy Sparkills. And all of this and their Etsy store, I'll put in the description below. If this little small business with these wonderful trays is your cup of tea as well. I hope so. These kitty cats are so cute. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there. And it really helps showing all of these wonderful diamond paintings and accessories we love to do and use. And here's another little tidbit I forgot to mention. The delivery and shipping was really quick, so that's why I'm a big fan of ordering again. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.